Welcome from QG Nature Products. Welcome from Senden, Germany. For 3 decades, we have been investigating about the influence of a healthy diet and maintenance of health. In our modern societies, in our urban environmental situations, we are under constant stress far too often. We have poor diet. We have stress factors from many sides. And these may be the cause for a chronic imbalance. And by the targeted supplementation with certain minerals and trace elements, we can counteract, or at least partly counteract, these effects. Many research has been published over the last decades about the influence of poor diet, loss of minerals, vitamins, and chronic diseases. Chronic brain damages like Parkinson and Alzheimer can be caused by lack of trace elements. Coronary heart disease, cardiac insufficiency, chronic pulmonary disease, inflammatory bowel disease, neuromuscular disorders, especially rheumatism, are well-known, well-established diseases that can be influenced by the targeted supplementation with minerals and vitamins. We developed, after 3 decades of research, a specific product line, outstanding products without any additives, without any preservatives. We call them bioactive because they are easily in the uptake. They persist for a long period in our cells, so they have a retard effect. In the following videos, we'd like to share with you the knowledge about trace elements and minerals. Follow us on our homepage and get the knowledge about our outstanding product line and the influence you can gain for well aging, for better aging, for maintenance of your health. Stay healthy. Very best wishes from Senden, Germany.